Hello, so today I decided to cook for you pepper-based stew with catfish. So right now I'm prepping our pepper, onion, ginger, garlic, and tatashe and few tomatoes to go. I'll be combining everything and blending together. So right now I'm blending them gradually at least to help the blender. So, guys, if today is the first time you're coming across my video, kindly like, follow, share, and comment. And to all my returning viewers, thank you so much. You guys are doing so well. So, I just added our olive oil in a pot and added some sliced onion. I'll be frying until it becomes translucent. Right now, I just poured in the pepper base, tomato, whatever you saw me blending. So right now, that's our catfish in the bowl. I'll be cleaning and washing them thoroughly using a lemon. Feel free to use your vinegar and salt. So the lemon will help subside the smell, the foul smell you can perceive from the catfish. So after that, I use the boiled hot water to firm the fish at least to help it not to disintegrate in the pot while it's cooking. Yes, feel free to adopt this method. If you have better method, it's okay. This is just me. Remember, I'm not Chef Basi. So we'll be checking our tomato in the pot. Right now it's still cooking. It's not yet ready. I'm cooking this in a medium heat. I have my thyme, my sun city, my spice city, sorry, my salt, my bouillon, my curry powder. I'll be adding them all at once. If you have any other spices or if you have any other herbs you want to put, it's completely optional. At this point, I added my curry leaf, fresh curry leaf. Yes, remember I still added the powder curry. The fresh curry leaf will help bring out a whole lot of flavor. It's okay to use any other leaf or vegetable of your choice. Yeah, it's completely optional. So you can see, guys, our fish didn't disintegrate. They are still well intact thanks to the hot water. So I just added this so that it will absorb some flavor and taste from the stew. At this point, they absorbed well enough flavor and taste. Now it's time for us to eat our lunch. So, guys, this is the face of that well prepared stew. Thank you if you watched till this moment. I love you all. See you again next time. Bye.